It's an amazing day in Amed and also a day for us to leave Amed. It was beautiful 2 days here exploring the coastal city in the north side of Bali. We are now at the Roomba Cafe. We are trying to grab breakfast and then we are planning to go for ARRACK tasting tour, and then there's a lot more interesting things happening today and I'm gonna show you all of that. So let's go! Adam in the Matrix. So, Sam, this is exactly he looked like today.
You want to catch me off guard.
I'm gonna zoom into your face, zoom into your juice, zoom into the little lemon. So the next stop is an ARRACK tasting tour. So hey guys, we finally made it to this beautiful spot. The spot name is Dapoer Bali Moela. This is a spot where we are going to do the ARRACK tasting tour. ARRACK is basically a traditional Indonesian alcohol specialized in the eastern part of Indonesia. In this tour we are going to taste different types of ARRACK, and they are also going to show us how they make it. So there's a lot of fun things going to happen here.
So as soon as we got there, welcoming drinks were just waiting for us. And then the starter was this delicious Balinese fish soup. It's like you could feel all the flavors just by smelling at it. And then more food started coming up. Most of them we don't even know the name of. But one food in particular, which was this fish cooked in bamboo, was something that I've never had in Bali before. The taste was just astounding.
Thank you, Bali! We are now at the ARRACK preparing chamber. I'm gonna show you to next the way they process it. They take the fruits from the palm trees and then they take the juice out of it and then they burn it here and make it condense into the alcohol itself. So this is where they burn all the palm juices that they get, and they condense it into the bottles over there.
There's a 40% of alcohol, and this one is the 45, the first bottle. This one is the original, like 35, and this one from the color wood they made, like it's different wood they made with the other three.
Let's do it.
Because it brought me one. Yeah. Really not bad.
And this is the seller.
Original, the 35%.
This is even more bland. The other one has more flavor.
What?
For me, this one has more flavor.
Yeah, what do you know?
Because I had a proper hair wash
So that's with the ARRACK tasting tour. It went pretty amazing. We tasted like different kinds of ARRACK. They all tasted really delicious, and especially the 50% one was the epic, like a cherry on top. We all loved it. Now we are going for the desserts, and can you imagine all the things that we did today? The ARRACK tasting, the tour of the place that they distill the ARRACK, the food that we had, and the dessert that we gonna have next. It's all 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. That is super cheap so far, whatever I've done in Indonesia. So the next time you come towards the north of Bali, please do pay a visit to this place and do an ARRACK tasting tour. You're gonna have some amazing time. So that's all with the ARRACK tasting tour. So we're walking away. The place also sells ARRACK. If you want to buy a bottle for home, yes you can. They have the prices there. We didn't check, but they did say that they also sell ARRACK here. So that was like easy 2 hours spent, and in that 2 hours we spent only like 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. So for me it's totally worth it. we finally made it to the next destination in our day trip. We are here at the waterslide of Lemukih village. It's like a really amazing place, like a natural rock formation with like a slide where you can slide down and end up in a pool. So we wanted to come to this place. I've personally seen this spot in Instagram and YouTube. The whole place is green and serene, but the road towards this place is extremely tight, like a small road. You have to be really skillful to do that.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
So you want me to drive it? Yes. Like that.
The roads are really narrow, yeah. Imagine your bike doesn't have good brakes, you're dead.
I'm so happy you don't. I'm not going to drive up. No, I'm going to drive up. Oh, perfect. Good.
Yes, I was just waiting for it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, thank you, man.
That was so fucking hard. Like, I got Ruth on the back.
Yeah, I was looking at you all the time. Yeah, I was like, how did you even manage to do that? Shit, yes.
Everybody was
And also, like, you cannot come to this place by yourself. From the main road where you take the sub road, there's a tourist information center. So according to this village, you have to take a guide from there for you to visit the spot. So usually they have like 3 spots in this tour: a rice terrace and a waterfall and the water slide. It's almost like 150,000 Indonesian rupiah per person. But we told them that we just wanted to do the water slide, so we negotiated the price down to 50,000 Indonesian rupiah per person. And we are here right now, and I'm gonna show you how the water slide works out. So we are sitting at a spot where we keep our bags and then we go down to the waterfall. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And most of us have gone down to enjoy the show, and I'm gonna go join as well. This is how it looks.